Hello everyone, this is Retekess TD157 Pager System. Today I'm going to show you how to change the keypad ID. One more thing need to pay attention. Once you change the keypad ID, you need to repair all the pages again with the keypad. Okay, now here number one, let's call it, it's worked, and we will see the keypad ID is which number. Press delete and call at the same time. You can see the screen will show F1. Press call to enter. Now here 123 is the current keypad ID. Okay, let's change it into 001 and press call. Okay, the screen will automatically back to F1. Press delete to go back to standby mode. Now here, if you call number 1, it will have no reaction because the keypad ID is changed. So you need to pair the pages again with the keypad. Okay, I will also show you how to pair the pager with the keypad. Press delete and call, and it will show F1. Press 2, it will show F2. Press call, and it will show 001. It's the pager ID. All the pages on the charging base, it will pair to 001. Okay, we press number 1 back here, and also we continue to pair other pages 002, and number 2 is also successfully paired. The rest of the pages will also pair to 002, so you need to pair them one by one. Okay, I just took this as the example. Number 1, number 2, yes, it all worked, and you can pair the rest of the pages as the number you want. So if you have two keypad, you can change them as the same ID, and you can use them to call all the pages at two different places. It's very convenient for restaurants. Okay, so much for today. Thanks for your watching.